To my brothers and sisters in Islam, As-salamu alaykum. Today I will give you a short tutorial of how you can add the Hijri calendar to your Outlook web app by the global calendar option that has been recently introduced onto the Outlook website. So first log in to outlook.com and you're met with this screen. All you have to do now is click on the settings button right here at the top. Scroll down and click on View All Outlook Settings. You click on it, you can scroll down on this panel of Calendar in View. Over here, the last option, which is the Global Calendar, is the new one where you can click Add a Global Calendar. We select English in our case, and then we select Hijri. You click Save, and you can close, and there you can see the Hijri date is placed right next to the Gregorian date on your Outlook calendar. If this date is off and not accurate to your region based on the Hijri date that is stated by the local masjid in your area, you can go on Settings at the top again, click on View All Outlook Settings, scroll down, and change the offset value to adjust it so that it is accurate to the date in your area. So this is how you can enable the Hijri date on the Outlook calendar website through this new feature of global calendars that has been recently introduced.